Okay, Suryansh. I know Saloni is with you. Yes. Now I'm going to start my presentation. All of you, keep your mics mute, okay? We'll see another one. This was the last message.
Colombia. Hello, Colombia. This is Prime Minister Gujral from India. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Gujral, I hear you loud and clear. How do you read me?
Kalpana, we are proud of you. Each one of us in India is proud of us. Proud of a person like you who has done such a pioneering work. And particularly the women and youth of India, a great deal of pride in seeing what you have done in the space. My hearty congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You know, when I think of you, I think what a long journey you have covered from Karnal to space, long distance. And therefore, when I talk to you, I feel I am talking to a person who is representing India in the space now. My all good wishes to you.
Thank you, sir, very much. Those are very kind words.
You know, Kalpana, I do not know if you remember the saying by one of our poets who was very well known in the subcontinent, Iqbal. He said this, सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं. There are worlds beyond stars, and now you are seeing them. How do you feel about them?
It's a very special feeling, and really up here, the night sky, and you look at it, what you are saying does become very literal. It's a dome of a dark sky and stars everywhere, and the earth, last time covered with thunderstorms here and there, with some small sprays of lightning, and every once in a while, city lights the clouds. And it's very much like a storybook. And the crew that I'm working with out here, all of us work so well together, and it's such an honor and privilege to be able to share this very special mission with them.
You know, it's a wonderful feeling that your journey has expanded the frontiers of science and technology. Also, at the same time, you have built another new and very formidable and a strong bridge between India and America.
So I'm very glad that I am today, so I'm able to do that.
And in orbit, Kalpana, how do you feel without weightlessness? It's a very difficult experience.
As you can tell, right now we are doing a burn, and things are just moving all over. I was just moving things out of my way with my legs. Actually, it's not very difficult at all. You get very used to it very fast. To go from one place to another, you always end up telling yourself, take it easy, don't try to do very fast, because otherwise you're just tumbling all over. So gently is the way to go.
It must be very interesting to sit with colleagues and friends in the same weightlessness. It is a very interesting experience and friendship that you have formed now.
That's very true, sir. On our crew, we have people from very different backgrounds, and we bring a lot of different cultures together, and it's just a lot of fun. It was fun while we trained together, and now it's phase 2.
I don't know if from your satellite you can see some other Indian satellites also, which are also in the space, projecting Indian television program to every home.
Yes, sir, I'm aware of that.
Yes, but you know, we are also, our scientists and our technologists are sharing the same experience of space. They have not gone themselves to space like you, but they have sent quite a few satellites.
And, yes, sir, yeah, I knew about that when I was going to school back in Karnal, or I should say Chandigarh in India. And then also after I came here, I've been following that in the news up here.
And I want to extract a promise from you that when you come back to the Earth, please come to India with all your friends in the satellite and also your whole family.
So the whole crew would love to come, and that would be an honor.
You will be most welcome guest of the Indian people and the government. They all take so much pride in you and excited about you that when you come and meet them, they'll be extremely delighted, and you must come.
So yes, we will surely come, and like I said, that's definitely an honor. And if I may just take a second, I'd like to introduce my crew members to you. But first of all, I'm going to bring the pilot on board. His name is Steve Lindsay, and Steve and I trained together in the class
travelers who are in space with you, the captain and everybody else.
So sure, sir.
Please, and to tell them that this is a very warm and hearty invitation to all of you.
I will pass that on, sir.
And you know, Kalpana, you come originally, your family came from Karnal. And in that area, where a famous poet Kalidas was there, he wrote that famous song about Swim of the Swan.
Yes, then I know about that, and that's a very special thing.
And you are that swan now swimming in the space.
That sounds good.
And thank you very much. Once again, my feeling of thanks to you for all that you have performed. You have made all of us proud of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for calling us on the orbiter. And if you would just take a second, a couple of days ago, we took the view of Himalayas from the orbiter, and I will downlink it to you for a minute or so, and we can be talking while that's happening.
Thank you.
And Mr. Prime Minister and all the people from India, we took this view a few days ago. I was hoping that maybe by chance, when the call came, we'd be flying over some regions that folks there were familiar with. But the view of Himalayas is so magnificent that it really belongs to all of us, as you can see on this video.
Woo! Adapt.
So here we're back at the meeting, and I hope you enjoyed these two videos, especially the first one you could have understood very clearly. Before beginning the chapter, I wanted to show you these videos. All of you obviously know, you've read a lot of GK also as to who is Kalpana Chawla. She was the first Indian space woman to have gone into space. I mean, हमारे इंडिया से ये पहली लेडी थी जो नासा में चुनी गई एज एन एस्ट्रोनॉट. दैट इज अ वेरी प्राइड थिंग फॉर अस एज इंडियंस. एंड उसके बाद आपको पता है सुनीता विलियम्स हैं, बट कल्पना चावला वाज born and brought up also in India. Rather, Sunita Williams was not brought up in India. She was only born and उसके बाद वो शिफ्ट हो गई थी बाहर, abroad. So she is totally Indian, Kalpana, because she studied over here. And if you read the chapter carefully, she was born in Karnal, the state in Haryana. It is in a place in Haryana. And I'll tell you the story briefly that Haryana is a place not known to be very welcoming for girls. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ उस टाइम, स्पेशली जब कल्पना चावला पढ़ती वहाँ पर पैदा हुई थी, गर्ल्स को बहुत ज़्यादा दबाया जाता था, उनको पढ़ने नहीं भेजा जाता था एंड ऑल, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी everyone wanted a son and boys only, they wanted that we should have a son. तो लड़की को अगर होती भी थी तो they used not send her to the school and all. But Kalpana Chawla was very lucky that her parents were very good, especially her father. He supported her always, and so father was always supportive. So he sent her to the school also, and there, though it was a very small school in this place of Haryana, and there also she was someone who was very, she wanted to study and just make her, she was crazy about studying. So she went then, us time, such a 19, if you see the story carefully, 1 second, I'll just put the PDF. I'm still sharing the screen. I'll do one thing, I'll put the summary and then one of you can read it. Devansh, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading this as a child. I'll increase the size a little bit. Hmm.
As a child, Kalpana never dreamed of space travel. It was
Dreamt.
not dreamt of space travel. It was not sufficient for her to graduate from an engineering college. After graduating as a aeronautical engineer from Punjab Engineering College, she went for a master's degree to United States in spite of her father's opposition. Later, she did her PhD in the subject. She had the pride of being the first Indian born American woman astronaut to blast off from Florida and be a part of the successful space mission. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana but was naturalized US citizen. She married a flight instructor, Jane Pierre Harrison. Apart from being an astronaut, she was also trained to fly single and multiple engine land airplanes, single seaplanes, and gliders. She was a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, she decided to apply to NASA's Space Shuttle program and was selected for training as an astronaut. She was an extraordinary woman who thought differently and was an enthusiastic,
And it is enthusiastic.
enthusiastic and optimistic. Her
Very good.
first space mission was 16 days long. During this time, she traveled
10.45.
10.5 million kilometers in 252 orbits. The crew had 7 members and they conducted 80 experiments. They also checked if food could be grown in space. Stronger metals or faster computer chip could be created. The news of Columbia
The new
disaster made everyone grief stricken.
brief chicken.
A shock wave was spread everywhere. A journalist called her a heroine. She had enormous potential and wide information, encyclopedic
Encyclopedic knowledge.
knowledge of each subject. Her achievements were actually marvelous. She created history and became an inspiration for everyone. Her life is a testimony that dreams can get success. The only thing we need to make them a reality is courage and vision.
Yes, very good. Now that is the summary. It is in this one. In I'll try to explain it. One second. Yes, I'm back in this one. What I was telling is, this was a brief. I'll just explain it to you a little. That, as I said, that she was in Haryana, and she fought against. Her father was very supportive, and they went against the society, and she went on to do aeronautical engineering. Now, aeronautical. What is aeronautical? Those machines, those flying aeroplanes and all, that arrow itself means air. So aeronautical means those flying objects that are used. So she went on to do that engineering. Now you know what is mechanical. Mechanical means something that deals with machines. Chemical is chemical engineering. मतलब क्या क्या chemicals use होते हैं किसी चीज में. That is chemical engineering. Computer engineering, you know what it is, okay? Something dealing with computers. But here you have, she did aeronautical engineering, which means she went on to do something very exceptional. In that time in 1990s, that is 80s, I would say, okay? And she, because she wanted to do her masters, she pursued and she went to USA. At that time her family opposed, मतलब they didn't want कि वो बाहर की country में चली जाए, but just because उसको इतना वो top की थी and उसका इतना strong brain था, हर चीज में वो आ गई थी, she wanted to pursue का मतलब होता है उसको वो पाना चाहती थी. That is why she went applied in NASA. she एंड वहां जाके वो फ्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर भी बनी. फ्लाइट इंस्ट्रक्टर कौन होते हैं? जो इंस्ट्रक्ट होता है समझाना, किसी को बताना कि ऐसे करो ऐसे करो. तो शी वाज समवन हु यूज्ड टू इंस्ट्रक्ट पायलट्स हाउ टू फ्लाई दीज मशीन्स. ओके, तो सोचो इतनी यंग एज में शी अटेन्ड सो मच. एंड व्हेन शी अप्लाइड फॉर द स्पेस शटल प्रोग्राम, ओके, स्पेस शटल मीन्स कौन कौन अप्लाई करना चाहता है, देन दे हैव दिस फिटनेस एंड ऑल, बहुत इनके filtrations होते हैं. So she got selected in that. So she was so good because she has so much of knowledge. In आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि जो एस्ट्रोनॉट होता है, you don't just have to be कि अच्छा वो बॉडी फिट हो या एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप की पढ़ाई आती हो तो आप एस्ट्रोनॉट बन सकते हो. नो, you have to have, it's written ना, encyclopedic knowledge means आपको हर चीज की नॉलेज, नॉट ओनली इंग्लिश बट बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मशीन्स के बारे में, कि अगर बिकॉज दीज पीपल आर देयर इन द स्पेस, अगर वहां पर इनका कोई मशीन का पार्ट खराब हो जाता है तो ये लोग इतने काबिल होते हैं कि ये उसको भी ठीक कर लेते हैं. Isn't it? They have also, and everyone is very well equipped. सब लोग, ये नहीं कि एक ही मेंबर ऐसा होता है, सबको कुछ ना कुछ सब कुछ आता है. Okay, so she was in an overall package and she was very good at it. And you saw this video also that she was speaking to the then Prime Minister I.K. Gujral. उस टाइम के जो इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे, उनसे डायरेक्ट स्पेस से बात कर रही थी वो. सोचो, यहाँ से नहीं, she was sitting in the space, मतलब on that mission, and there she spoke to the Prime Minister. And today also she's a inspiration for so many Indians, especially girls. क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री में गर्ल्स इतनी ऊंचा ओहदा बहुत रेयरली ले पाते हैं. अब तो कॉमन चीज है, बट उस टाइम when in 1990s and 1980s it wasn't that common. So she went on to do something that was even unimaginable. मतलब कोई imagine भी नहीं कर सकता था कि लड़की होके वो इतना attain कर पाएगी. And she went on to do that. Okay, तो आज भी हरियाणा में लड़कियां क्या सब लोग कल्पना चावला को बिल्कुल भगवान के जैसे मानते हैं. I remember in when she died and I was in my house at that time, this news का direct telecast आ रहा था. हम सारे Indians TV से चिपके हुए थे उस टाइम कि अरे कल्पना चावला is coming back from space, है ना. सब लोग उस टाइम ग्लूड थे. ग्लूड का मतलब होता है चिपके हुए थे, टीवी से चिपके हुए थे हम सब इंडियंस, कि न्यूज टेलीकास्ट हो रहा था उस टाइम रात को और आ रहा था कि आ रही है उसकी कोलंबिया जो स्पेस शटल है. कोलंबिया इज द नेम ऑफ द स्पेस शटल जिसपे वो गई थी. वापस आ रहा है कोलंबिया और डायरेक्ट टेलीकास्ट हो रहा था. और उसी टाइम वो डायरेक्ट टेलीकास्ट में हम सब ने देखा कि जैसे ही वो हमारे मतलब थोड़ा सा ही डिस्टेंस रह गया था एंड पहुंच लैंडिंग के लिए, और ये आते आते आग लग गई एंड इट जस्ट ब्लास्टेड इनटू फ्लेम्स. मतलब वो पूरा ब्लास्ट हो गया था वहीं पे. एंड वो सारा लाइव टेलीकास्ट हम सब ने तब टीवी पे देखा था. एंड दैट डे मोस्ट ऑफ देम इवन क्राइड. एंड हरियाणा में नेक्स्ट डे हॉलीडे भी डिक्लेयर हुआ था बिकॉज शी वाज मतलब शी सच ए बिग पर्सनालिटी. ऑल द स्कूल्स वर क्लोज्ड इन हरियाणा दैट टाइम. सो यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सोचो उसके बाद अभी तक एक भी ऐसी हमारे प्रॉपर इंडियन नहीं सेलेक्ट हुई, इतना नाम नहीं कमाया जितना कल्पना चावला ने कमाया, वो भी इतनी यंग एज में. ओके, I wanted to tell you that we'll directly start with the question answers. Okay, so next time you people will find out the answers yourself and I will give you chance to each and every one of you. Fine. will give you the chance, and you will answer all the questions. Okay. Now, any other doubt you people want to ask? Anything? And please wear your
Ma'am, why Sunita Williams is not called?
आप चेक करो इसको
Why
नेट पे.
Sunita Williams is not called the Indian astronaut?
Okay. First of all, I want to tell you the meaning of naturalized. Naturalized होता है जिसको कोई दूसरी कंट्री सिटीजनशिप देती है. जैसे आप वहां गए हो, नाम कमाया, तो वो आपको ऑफर करती है सिटीजनशिप कि आप हमारी कंट्री के सिटीजन बन जाओ. तो शी accepted the offer of America. So she has got two citizenships. Okay, she's an Indian also and American also. Okay, what he is asking, Arush, that why Sunita Williams? Sunita Williams, 1 second. And she is known to be an American astronaut. It's written that Sunita Williams is an American astronaut and also a Navy officer, US Navy officer. Okay, only that her birth, her birth also is in United States only. It's not India. उसके एक्चुअली पेरेंट्स में 1 second. Have you checked on it, Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, she was her father was an Indian. Okay, her father was an Indian and
Yes.
her mother was an American. वो प्योर इंडियन नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है? कल्पना चावला का बर्थ भी हरियाणा में हुआ था और वो यहीं पली बड़ी थी, इसलिए शी इज ए प्रॉपर इंडियन. सुनीता विलियम्स की मदर अमेरिकन थी. ओके, हर फादर
ma'am.
इज इंडियन अमेरिकन. मतलब वही जैसे यहाँ से पले बड़े और वहां जाके सेटल हो गए उसके पापा, एंड देन ही गॉट मैरिड टू एन अमेरिकन. ओके, so that is why he is not called that.
She's
Yes,
not
सुनीता
Indian.
विलियम्स पेरेंटल हाउस, हर पेरेंटल मतलब उसके दादा मतलब परदादा के घर है यहाँ पर एंड गुजरात. द सुनीता विलियम्स उसका है यहाँ पर. ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर एंड ऑल had migrated and her parental house is in Gujarat. Okay.
Ma'am, so his surname is Williams, not Indian.
Yes.
Williams is American. Surname.
Yes. Very good. Okay, it's almost time now. Anything else? So all of you, I'm giving you this homework. You will find out what do you say? All the answers and exercises also will do, because the class 6th B is on 4, have completed the 5th chapter. And I want you also to do come till the 5th chapter quickly. Okay. So next period, we'll finish the solutions part. Okay. And why are so less students coming? Any idea? Devansh, any idea?
No, ma'am.
Gaurav, any idea why less students are coming? I think
मैम
total
कई
there-
लोगों की जो कई लोग हैं मैम, उनकी जो आईडी थी, ईमेल आईडी, वो काम ही नहीं कर रही है.
मैम कुछ लोगों का बन नहीं रहा है.
अच्छा, तो आप वहां पर डालो ना, वो सत्य साई जो
लोगों
हमारे
ने अकाउंट नहीं
सर के पास.
बनाया है.
मैम पहले मेरी भी आईडी साइन आउट हो गई थी मैम, इसी.
ओके.
मैम कभी-कभार नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम भी होता है.
हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट आईडी का जो प्रॉब्लम है, देन टेल टू सीमा मैम ने एक मैसेज डाला था ना कि दिस नंबर यू सपोज टू मैसेज. अपना जो भी प्रॉब्लम है वो डालो और स्कूल सॉल्व कर देगा उसको, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गुड टू मिस योर क्लासेस.
मैम कई लोगों ने अपने आईडी से लॉगिन नहीं कर रखा है ना.
नहीं, अच्छा, बाय द वे जो बच्चे अपने आईडी से नहीं कर रहे हैं वो गलत बात है। अगर आप टॉप पे देखोगे जहां पर एक फोटो बनी रहती है, आप चेक करो आप अपने पापा के अकाउंट से तो नहीं आए हो, क्योंकि ऐसे बच्चों का अटेंडेंस नहीं मानी जाएगी फिर। यू हैव टू टेक द अकाउंट विच द स्कूल हैज गिवन। सब लोग चेक करके आया करो। कोने राइट राइट कॉर्नर साइड यू कैन सी एक लोगो बना होता है एंड उसमें स्विच लिखा होता है नीचे, अगर उसको दबाओगे स्विच में आपका अकाउंट भी होगा। ओके, उससे चेक करके ही आना है।
ओके मैम।